her parents were during one of the pogroms. People used to hide in cellars when the pogroms would go through the little towns, burn the town, burn the people, especially Jews with beards, you know. And they, my grandparents were in a cellar, but the cellar was burned, and they were, and that's how I was named after my mother's mother, Bella. And that's how Belarsky came in, Belar. The R was, my mother was Clara, and ski, every Russian has a ski.
Belarsky, so the whole family became Belarsky.
Yeah.
The name in honor of your grandmother. That's a wonderful story.